Hello friends, welcome back to CDL. In this tutorial we will see how to resolve Windows error. So sometimes whenever we build any workspace, that time we will face some windows.h error. So let's see, in this tutorial we will see Windows error. So let's build. I'll show you which error we will face. Let it build. Once it's finished, I'll show you. Yeah, build almost finished. Build completed here. So let's see, here we are getting one fatal error and it's showing wtypes.h. So what is this wtypes.h? So this is not the CA error, it is completely Windows error. So what it means, it's we missed something while installation and we got something. So you see, this is the Windows error. Whenever you double click on this Windows wtype.h file, so this cav5 precompile.h, so this .h header file is open. So it means we are missing something while installation our Visual Studio. So this is one also make source uh, forge.h. So that means we have missed something in our Visual Studio installation. So it is not fetching that installation, which it is not fetching Windows DLL. So let's search, let's check in Visual Studio installer what we miss. So for that we have to select our Windows SDK. So we'll see what we have installed in our I have here installed 2017 Visual Studio Professional version. So let's see, let's check there what uh, Windows SDK version I have selected. So before that I will close this Visual Studio, and once I close I'll check here in available what it is showing. So it is showing higher version, so I don't want, so I want just update my Visual Studio 2017. So click on modify. Once you click modify, you see here I have selected here .NET application frame and C++, desktop development C++. So here in individual component also I have selected this Windows SDK so many. So this is unnecessary, we don't need here. So I will select my operating system is Windows 11. So I will uncheck that, I will remove that Windows SDK. So for this Visual Studio 2017, so we need uh, Windows 10 SDK 10.0.162. Uh, so that one we need. So I will uncheck from this C++ desktop development. So let's uncheck from that one. So we need this version. We need a lower version. Don't select updated as Windows SDK version because our CA tool won't work. So I will uncheck this updated version and I will keep this 10.0.16299. So let it keep, and I just click on modification. So if you want universal Windows platform development, you can select. So if you don't want, you can uncheck that one. In our CA case we don't need that one, we need mostly .NET framework, .NET desktop development and desktop development with C++. So I will uncheck these options, and whichever I required Windows SDK, that is the lower version, but our CA will compatible with this Windows SDK 10.0. Uh, so our Windows SD, our CA will compatible with Windows 10.0.62 6299. So let's click on modify. So let it download and let it install. Once it installed, I will show you again. I will build my workspace. So let it finish. Downloading almost completed. Let's install this all packages. So it is uninstalling this Windows 10 SDK 10.0.17763. So this is the updated one. We don't want that one because our CA R21X is compatible uh, and it will build with our Windows SDK 10.0.16299. So make sure you have installed or you have select a right Windows SDK. So even though if you sometimes if you are building any program, so that time you will face the same issue like windows.h or this wtype.h error. So that time also make sure you have selected correct Windows SDK format, Windows SDK version. So if you have confusion, so just check one by one. Even though sometimes might it will not work for updated version, like in my case updated Windows SDK it won't work, so I uncheck, I uninstall latest Windows SDK and I install the lower Windows SDK version. So let's see and let's open our CA workspace and let's build. Let it open. Once it's open I'll show you here. So sometimes whenever you are building any uh, program, so that time you will face that issue. So it means it is not fetching correct Windows file, Windows DLL. So for that you have to fetch Windows SDK. You have to install correct Windows SDK version while installing Visual Studio. So I have loaded here my workspace. So I will show you. I will build here and let's see whether we will get the same error or a different error. So I will build my workspace. Let it build. Let's complete the build process. Then we'll see. So here you see we have a different error now. This is the linking error. Let's go in output and check once. Now it's build completed. So I will scroll up and I'll show you here. So this is the one cat base unknown. So this is the CA error. So we can easily fix this issue. Just we have to add our framework, sorry, our module name JSO group in our module. So it will fix. And sometimes if you miss here it's showing ignore, we have not added system framework, so that's why it's showing that error. So this is the CA error. So now we don't have that Windows error like wtype.h error or windows.h error. So it means that error was related to Windows file and we can fix while installation. So while installation Visual Studio we have to make sure to select required Windows SDK. I hope you guys understood how to fix this Windows error. So we'll meet in next video. Thank you.